A lot of people talk about how tough it is to work with developers, especially if you come from a non-technical background. So on this video, I'll talk about the soft skills any developer should have, from empathy, patience, problem solving, collaboration, and communication. And now, about this. Non-technical skills should matter as much as technical ones, even if you are a developer. In fact, all of the skills I talk about on this video will contribute to writing good code that can improve technical projects. And most of them are going to be very helpful outside of development too. So let's start with empathy. To build a great product, you must put yourself in the shoes of your users. How will they be using your product? What features will be helpful for them? How can your program help them or improve their lives? Empathy is essential for so many pieces of your projects. If it isn't accessible, then you're limiting the number of people that can use your project. Also, empathy is helpful for being a team member and a mentor. Put yourself in your manager or another developer's shoes. Why are they making their decisions? What can you do to help them? Having empathy will definitely improve your ability to be an effective teammate. But also have patience for other developers, especially the ones that are learning new things. Remind yourself of something that was really hard for you to learn and how that felt. They probably feel the same. Being rude to them, diminishing their progress, or being pedantic will only be harmful and make that process harder for them. Things can take a while to learn, and people are not perfect. Making mistakes and failing can be some of the most important experiences in the learning process. So allow for that, instead of creating an environment where it isn't safe to take risks or grow. Then comes problem solving. Nowadays, I see a lot more people struggling with problem solving than the code itself. The ability to break a problem into smaller ones and then solve all of those smaller problems takes a lot of practice. Getting good at problem solving can help you become a much better, stronger developer and even manager. Also, for most problems, there will be more than one solution. Picking the correct solution is challenging, but important part of software development. So, chances are very high that you work with other people as a developer. Even alone, you will have to work with other developers, business people, managers, stakeholders, and countless other people, even if you are a freelancer or entrepreneur. Learning how to work well with different people and their personalities is crucial. There are so many things that can contribute to a good collaboration. The first thing is knowing that one person can't do everything, or at least do everything well. Different people have different skills, points of view, and life experiences that are more powerful in combination than isolation. Don't feel like you always need to put the team on your back or be everything to everybody. You can do a lot better if you allow other people to contribute too. Actively listen when people share their ideas instead of thinking about your response or why your idea is better while they're still talking. Try to think about why their approach is also good or how it can be implemented and give them credit for those ideas. That is very important if you're a manager. Finally, when you're working with other people, whether those other people are co-workers, clients, the people who use your projects, managers, or people you manage, good communication is crucial. Give honest updates on how things are going, where projects currently stand, and your opinions on things honestly. If you are dishonest or sugarcoat the truth, then you may not see a positive change. What I'm saying is that there's definitely a fine line here. If things are not going well, make sure to say so. Be honest about needing a deadline pushed back or how something isn't going well at work. You'll have a much better chance at changing it and making the environment better for yourself if you speak up. Bottom line is that these skills are often referred as soft skills, but I feel that's quite reductive. These skills, among many others, help you so much with both writing code and being a good coworker or manager. They are so much more important than knowing a specific language, library, or framework, and they go far, even outside of technology. All of these skills are really important to work on as a developer and as people. So, what do you think?